Okay, Unit 4 Revision Gold. We're working question 8, which is just practicing finding the general solutions for various differential equations. We're going to do C and D in this video. So C is dy dx equals x plus xy. Now we need a way to separate our variables. So dy dx x1 plus y. Just do a simple factorisation. Then we can do a dy over 1 plus y x dx. Integrate both sides. ln 1 plus y x squared on 2 plus c. So quite straightforward integrations on both sides. We want to isolate it for the y, so we're going to go 1 plus y is e to the x squared on 2 plus c, or 1 plus y is a e to the x squared on 2, where a equals e to the c. Then just it's a case of just going a is x plus a e to the x squared on 2, and then just bring the 1 across. And there's your general equation. Let's do D as well. D is here. Dy dx equals x e to the x plus y. Okay, again we need to separate our variables out. Dy dx, x, that's e to the x, e to the y. Remembering our index laws, we can separate it like that. So that becomes dy over e to the y, x e to the x, dx, to integrate both sides. So this is just going to be separating the variables is a little trickier, and then where we're going to go with it. Okay. Now, this one, so it's integral e to the negative y dy, if you prefer it like that. This is a by parts exercise. Okay. Now, we have actually done this earlier when you were working through your revision sheet. So we did this when we did, 1G. So because we have done this previously, and you can look back on this video, I'm not actually going to redo it. So it's going to be x e to the x minus e to the x plus c. So that is done by parts, and that was in part 1G, if you're looking for the video of how I did that. My left-hand side, that's going to be negative e to the negative y equals x e to the x minus e to the x plus c. Bring my negative across, so e to the negative y will be negative ex plus e to the x minus c. So just bringing the negative through, and then negative y will equal log of all that. And so y is the negative ln of all that. Okay, so just finishing that off because it was e to a y, so my answer ends up being a log, and that's 8D.